Hi guys, myself Vijit Vardhan, and here in this session I am going to show you how to install the Solid Edge software. Now hopefully you would have downloaded the Solid Edge RAR file, which is of having a capacity of 540 or 541 MB, and then you can right click and extract files. After an extraction you will find extracted file like this. If you don't have a WinRAR extraction, then please do make sure that you are going to download the WinRAR application to your system first and install it. Then the file is going to be opened like this, and afterwards, after unrarring it, you will find a Solid Edge. Click on the Solid Edge, search for the setup icon, double click on the setup icon. It will ask some things, just say yes, and it is preparing to install. And wherever it will ask, keep on pressing the next. Okay, computing the space requirements, and just keep on pressing the next. Okay, now I have already installed, so it is asking for the modify, so I'm just going to cancel it. Then after this, once you find the shortcut of Solid Edge like this, you will be finding your Solid Edge desktop icon properly. Then what you have to do, let me show you. Now come back to this folder. Now you can see in the unrar file. So after unrarring it, you will find the Solid Edge. There you have find out the Solid Edge setup file from here. Just come back and you will find se-license.dat, and just copy this file, that is se-license.dat file has to be copied. Once that is copied, just go to the Solid Edge V19, press the right click using the cursor, go to properties, and then in the properties you will find 6 different dialog boxes. Go to the shortcut, and in the shortcut you just go to open file location. When you go to the open file location, there are so many files will be showing here. Then press Ctrl V. It will ask copy and replace. Just click on the copy and replace. That's it. And once you copy and replace, then you can just double click on the Solid Edge V19. It will open the Solid Edge V19. And if you are having any sort of doubts to be working with the Solid Edge V19, please share your install the TeamViewer and share your TeamViewer credential to my WhatsApp, and please call me so that I'll come to online and I'm going to install you in your system from my end only. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.